I hope all are doing well, and I wish everyone to be safe and healthy. Today I've come up with another video, that is probiotics and its benefits. What are probiotics? Probiotics are the live bacteria and yeast that is good for you, especially to your digestive system. There are lots of bacteria present in your body, both good and bad ones. Probiotics are the bacteria often called as good bacteria or helpful ones because it helps to keep your gut healthy. You can find the probiotics in some supplements and in some foods like yogurt. How the probiotics works? When you lose good bacteria in your body, especially after the intake of antibiotics, probiotics helps to replace them. There are mainly three types of probiotics present. First one is lactobacillus, which is commonly found. You can find it in yogurt and other fermented foods. It helps in diarrhea and lactose intolerance. Second is bifidobacteria. You can find it in dairy products. It helps in irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Third is Saccharomyces boulardii. It helps in diarrhea and other digestive problems. Benefits of probiotics. Probiotics have powerful benefits on your body and brain. They help your digestive system and reduce depression and promote your heart health. They may give you a better looking skin. Here I introduce you some probiotics foods which are very beneficial for your body. Yogurt. Eating yogurt helps in good bone health. It also helps to reduce the high blood pressure and cure the diarrhea caused by antibiotics. It also helps to relieve the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and good in lactose intolerance. But make a note to choose the yogurt which has active or live culture. Pickled cucumbers. Pickled cucumbers are the great source of healthy probiotic bacteria, especially pickled in the solution of salt and water. They are low in calories, but they have vitamin K, which is an essential nutrient in blood clotting. It is important to note that the pickles made with vinegar do not contain healthy or live probiotics. Buttermilk. It is low in fat and calories, but a great source of vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin B12, riboflavin, calcium and phosphorus. It is simply a leftover liquid from making butter. This version only contains probiotics. Idlis, an Indian breakfast, which is made by fermenting rice and lentils. By undergoing fermentation, the bioavailability of minerals increases. Other one is Indian cheese, that is paneer, which is rich in probiotics. Green peas. They are potent probiotics, often associated with fermentation under low temperature conditions. So you can add green peas to your pastas, omelets and salads. Next is the most awaited topic, that is benefits of probiotics on your skin. It helps in various skin conditions like acne, skin rashes, psoriasis and eczema. Both topical and oral use is recommended. It helps to slow down the signs of aging. It helps to improve the level of hydration of your skin. It prevents the breakouts and clarify your skin. And it repairs your skin and reduce the sensitivity. Finally, a 3-ingredient probiotic face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of yogurt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Take it in a small bowl, mix it well and apply on your skin and leave it for 10 to 30 minutes. After that, rinse off with warm water. It is a very effective probiotic face mask for a glowing skin. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If you like, please share and subscribe and comment. Thank you.